This video shows how to use V9.27 lock management software. 1. Open the software and choose Admin Account. Press OK directly, then enter the software page. If you need to change the password, please click Modify button and input former password and new password to change. Now use new password to log in the software. Check this page. There are several different function sections. Now, we choose System Parameter Management. Step 2. Input the hotel name and set checkout time here. Step 3. Send the machine number to the seller. The seller will return a long serial number. Input the serial number here. And click Register. Step 4. You can add, remove, modify operators here. And different operator types have different operating authorities. Please try it by yourself. We won't show it in the video. Choose Building Management. Here you can add buildings and rooms. Step 5. Adding 2 buildings. Input building number and building name. Step 6. Adding rooms. Here building 1 has 5 floors, and each floor has 10 rooms. Input floor range from 1 to 5 and room range from 101 to 510. Input room type. Rate and prices according to your hotel rule. The card number here means the maximum cards can be issued for a guest room. Check the rooms in Building 1. Following, we should insert rooms into Building 2. Here Building 2 has 8 floors, and each floor has 5 rooms. If you double-click the room information, then you can change it. Next, choose Door Lock Configuration. Those cards are used to configure locks. System card is for giving authority to other configuration card. No matter what you want to do to the lock, you should swipe the system card first, and then following swipe extra configuration cards. Room number setting card is for giving numbers to the lock. Click search and choose the room number you want to set, and issue card. Clock setting card is for making the lock time synchronous with the computer time, so that the check-in and check-out time will be correct. Group setting card is for making several rooms in one group. Clear group number card is for deleting the group. The maximum group number is 255. Step 7. You should issue system card, room number setting card, clock setting card to configure the locks. The configuration step is: swipe 3 times system card, and swipe room number setting card, and swipe clock setting card continuously. And then use MasterCard to test the lock. If MasterCard can open the lock, means the lock is configured successfully. Continue to configure another lock with the same steps. Group setting is according to your need. This step is swipe 3 times system card, and following swipe once group's number setting card to the locks. And then group card can open all the locks in this group. Step 8. Choose card key for staffs. These cards are issued for staff use. Their functions are as following. Floor card can open all locks in this floor. Choose building name and floor number, and set valid time. And then issue card. Building card can open all locks in this building. Choose the building name and set opening time. MasterCard can open all locks in this hotel. Emergency card can make the lock into emergency status. If swipe this card to a guest room lock, then the lock can be opened without card. But you can swipe guest room card or MasterCard to the lock, then the lock will get out of emergency status. Group card can open all locks in this group. We already tried the function before. Record card can collect 220 pieces opening history from the lock. The steps are different between Atomic Lock and MyForLock. Lost card can make the card invalid. Search the lost card. If lost MasterCard, then you need to issue this card and swipe it to all hotel locks. If lost guest room card, you need to issue this card and only swipe it to the guest room lock. Terminate card is checkout card, which is used to disable the unlock function of the previous guest card, without affecting the new guest card. Next, choose reception. Check each building rooms here. Step 9. Click Room Status Setting. Here you can change the room status. Double-click the room, and then click the right side Room Status. Then the room status can be changed. Step 10. Click Room Status Chart. Here you can check all room status quantity. Step 11. Walk-in means single or several guests, but not a group. Choose a room according to guest's requirement. And then set the stay time. And input guest information. And then issue the card. Then check in successfully and the guest can take this card to open his room lock. Step 12. Group reception, usually used for tourism groups. Click Group Check-in. Choose the vacant rooms for the groups. and then input each room guest information and issue card one by one. Step 13. Reservation. Click Make Reservation, and then input guest information. Choose the guest check-in time. Insert the room according to guest's requirement, and click Make Reservation button. Then make reservation success. Next, reservation check-in. Select the room. There will show guest information. If all information are correct, then press Issue Card directly. Step 14. Room change. Now I want to change Building 1201 to Building 2201. Put the guest room card on the card reader and press Room Change button. Then card reader will read the card room number. Click Search and select the new room number. And press Issue Card. Then change room success. Check the room status. Now, Building 2201 is guest in. And Building 1201 is vacant. Step 15. Postdown. Put the guest room card on card reader and press Postdown. The card reader will read the card room number. Set the postdown date. And press Issue Card to finish. Step 16. Checkout. Put the guest room card on the card reader and press Checkout with card. Then the card reader will read the card room number. Check all things are okay. Then press Checkout with card. Then checkout successfully and the card erased. If guest checkout without return the room card, then choose the room he lived. and click Checkout without card directly to finish. Step 17. Card information. Put the unknown card on card reader and click Card Information. Then there will show card detail information. Step 18. Card Erase. It will clear card information. After clicked Card Erase, you can read card information again and find the card is blank card now. Step 19. Report. Report of cards. Here can check all cards issued by the software. Click Option. Can select the card information. Report of guests. Here can check only guest cards issued by the software. Report of open door. Here can check the open door history, but you should collect opening history from the lock first. Here show how to collect opening history from Temic lock. Open the collector switch. And then swipe record card to the Temic lock and put data collector near the lock. Lock light slash and collector light flashes. After about 30 seconds, the collector finished collecting history. Close the collector switch and use a USB line connect collector with computer. Click Upload on the software and wait for several seconds. Then the open history will show on the page. You can export to Excel or exit. That is all basic functions for V9.27 lock management software. Thank you so much.